Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Wi-Fi 3DS. Start by powering on your 3DS and open System Settings, then choose Internet Settings to find access points. Select your network, enter the password carefully, and test the connection using Spot Pass or Street Pass options. If you encounter errors, try moving closer to the router, disable MAC filtering, or temporarily enable WPS for a faster setup. Power the 3DS, navigate to System Settings, and tap Internet Settings to start a new connection. Choose Connection Settings, then New Connection, and let the console scan for available networks. Pick your network name, enter the Wi-Fi password exactly, and run connection test to confirm success. If the test fails, recheck the password, move the 3DS closer to the router, or reboot both devices before retrying to complete setup. If your 3DS cannot connect, start by confirming the router broadcasts a 2.4 GHz network and not a 5 GHz only band. Power cycle the router and the 3DS, then retry the connection test. Temporarily disable guest networks, hidden SSIDs, and MAC filtering while setting up. You can also assign a static IP or adjust DNS to public servers for stability, and keep the 3DS near the router.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.